Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gali Dimas Susasmito. NIM 2410105000382 from Group 9. Here I will present a PowerPoint entitled Passive Voice with Object and Passive Voice without Object. Objective of the study. The objective of this study are focused on the fundamental and functional aspect of passive voice, the object, the without object as follow. Number one, definition and conceptual understanding by the object and without object. Passive voice with object occurs when the object of an active sense becomes the subject in the passive sense. So the focus is on what receives the action. As in C writes a letter. A letter is written by her. Really passive voice without object is used when no specific object is mentioned or the agent is omitted, shifting the focus on the action or result itself, often with impersonal subject like it or there, as in it is said, the he is harnessed, or the door was knocked. In essence, passive with object emphasizes the receiver of the action, whereas passive without object emphasizes the action itself or its outcome. Number two, problem formulation regarding the difference between with object and without object. Problem problem formation regarding the difference between passive voice with object and without object can be stated as follows. In academic reading and language learning, students often struggle to distinguish when a passive construction shall retain an object and when it shall omit one, leading to confusion in both meaning and usage. The, the core problem lies in identifying the role of the object in transformation and active sense into a passive one. Since passive with object emphasizes the receiver of the action, a letter is written by her. Will passive without object emphasizes the action or result itself. It is said that he is harnessed. This difference raises question about how Rainer can systematically recognize the presence or absence of an object. How the focus of meaning shifts between the two forms, and how each step should be applied appropriately in academic or professional context. Number three, mastery, Mr. mastery of formula and sentence construction. The final objective is to master the formula of the structures and apply them correlati in sentence. This study aims to study student how to construct extra sentence using the subject plus B plus V3 formula for passive form and the standard subject plus verb plus object for active form, enabling them to use the appropriate voice for fashion communicative purpose. Understand the definition and concept of passive voice with object. Identify Identify the functional difference between these two passive structures. Master formulas and sentence construction occur first sentence for academic and professional communication. The passive voice with object. This occurs when the object of an active sense is moved to become the subject of the passive sentence. The primary focus of the structure is on the entity that transfers the action and the agent. The door of the action can either be mentioned using by or omitted. Passive voice without object. This structure is used when no specific object or agent is mentioned in the sentence. Typical because the door in unipronoun or already obvious from the context. Instead of highlighting a receiver, it shifts the emphasis onto the action or the result itself, often employing impressional structure.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, my name is Ari Wilujeng Sukma Kinesi from the group 9. Hello everyone, now we are moving on to slide 5. Difference between passive voice with the object and without object, where we will break down the first concept, passive voice with the object. In the with the object form, the passive sentence returns a crucial entity from its original active counterpart. This retention can manifest either as the explicit mention of the actor or agent placed at the end of the sentence after the provision by, or as a written object leave begin when the original active sentence contained two objects, or a direct and indirect object. In terms of communicative function, this form is selected when the identity of the performer or the secondary object involved remains vital to complete the context, meaning that is this part were omitted. The core message of the sentence would feel incomplete or lose its primary point. Example, the financial record were being examined by the auditors. Focus on the providing clear information that the financial record were undergoing an examination by the auditors as the agent. The new policy will be implemented by the government. Emphasize the agent, the government, as the specific entity equating the new policy. Next, let's turn to slide 6, which covers passive voice without object. Conversely, in the without object form, the passive sentence intentionally cuts out or eliminated the presence of the agent or the retained object. This omission is made because the door of the action is already obvious through context, completely unknown, or deliberately hidden to maintain objectivity, as commonly seen in academic journal or formal business reporting. Instead, this sentence structure frequently and immediately after the part participle verb, or is specifically modified by appending an adjective to emphasize the change in the subject's physical or mental state, or an adverb to explain how the action was performed without any regard for who actually performed it. Example, adjective strategy. Focus of the state of subject. Important decisions are made effective. Adverb strategy. Focus of how the action was done. Employee performance is evaluated regularly.
2,000 years later.
Mastery of formulas and tense construction. Simple present tense. Active, subject plus verb plus object. Example, the manager approves the proposal. Passive subject plus is or am or are plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the proposal approved the manager. Present continuous tense. Active subject plus is or I am or are plus verb ing plus object. Example, the technicians are repairing the server. Passive subject plus is plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the server is being repaired by the technicians. Present tense, present perfect tense. Active subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, the community has finalized the report. Passive subject plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the report has been finalized by the committee. Formulas and tense construction. Simple past tense. Active subject plus verb 2 plus object. Example, the archivist designed the sky reaper. Passive subject plus was plus verb 3 plus by agent. Example, the sky reaper was designed by the activant. Past continuous tense. Active subject plus was plus verb ing plus object. Example, the audience were examining the financial records. Passive subject plus was plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the financial records were being examined by the auditors. Past perfect tense. Active subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Example, the board had recorded the decisions. Passive subject plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, a decision had been recorded by the board. Formulas and tense construction. Simple future tense. Active subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Example, the government will implement the new policy. Passive subject plus will plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the new policy will be implemented by the government. Future perfect tense. Active subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, the researchers will have completed the study by December. Passive subject plus will plus have be plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the study will have been completed by the researchers by December. Future continuous tense. Active subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example, the team will be conducting the interview. Passive subject plus will plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Note, this form is rarely used due to its structural redundancy.
The next day.
Hello everyone, my name is Clara Naila Shafitri. Formula and sentence continuous tense. Perfect present continuous tense. Active subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing object. Example, the company has been developing this software. Passive subject plus have or has plus been plus being plus verb t. By an agent, not typing a voice informant, waiting to ensure language efficient. Future perfect tense. Active subject plus will plus have plus verb t object. Example, the researchers will have completed the study by December. Passive subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. Example, the study will have been completed by the researching by December. Future perfect continuous tense. Active subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. The example, the writing team will have been promotion the product for a mouse. Passive subject plus will plus have plus been plus paying plus verb t by plus agent. The example, the project will have been being promoted by the marketing team for a month. Simple past future tense. Active subject plus word plus verb 1 plus object. The example, the company will seek the contract. Passive subject plus word plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. The example, the contract would be signed by the company. Past future continuous tense. Active subject plus verb plus be plus verb ing plus object. The example, the supervision will be monitoring the production purchase. Passive subject plus verb plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. The example, the production process will be being monitored by the supervision. Past future perfect tense. The active subject plus verb plus have plus verb 3 plus object. The example, the HR department would have hired new employees. Passive subject plus verb plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. The example, new employees would have been hired by the HR department. Past future perfect continuous tense. Active subject plus verb plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. The example, the character would have been leading the meeting for 2 hours. Passive subject plus verb plus have plus been plus verb being plus verb 3 plus by plus agent. The example, the meeting would have been being led by the director for the house.